Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for frequent travelers in 2025. How to use your TWIC card to breeze through TSA Precheck. If you're in the transportation industry, like maritime or trucking, your TWIC card, that's the Transportation Worker Identification Credential, could be your ticket to faster airport security. Let's break this down step by step so you can save time and stress on your next trip. First off, what's the deal with TWIC and TSA Precheck? TWIC is a security card issued by the TSA for workers who need access to secure areas, and in 2025, it's even more integrated with TSA programs. The great news is that if you have a valid TWIC card, you might already qualify for TSA Precheck, which means shorter lines and a smoother screening process. But eligibility has some updates this year, so make sure your card is active and not expired. TSA is cracking down on that. Step 1. Verify your eligibility. Head over to the TSA website or use their app to check if your TWIC card links up with Precheck. You'll need to create or log into your TSA account and add your TWIC details. It's quick and easy, just enter your card number and personal info. Once verified, you might get approved on the spot or need to provide additional docs. Next, when you're at the airport, look for the TSA Precheck lanes. Scan your boarding pass as usual, and when you reach security, present your TWIC card along with your ID. In 2025, some airports have new tech, like biometric scanners, so keep an eye out for those to speed things up even more. Remember, with Precheck, you can leave your shoes and jacket on, and your laptop can stay in your bag. It's a game changer. One quick tip. Always double-check the TSA guidelines before your flight, as procedures can vary by airport. And if you're new to this, consider enrolling in TSA Precheck separately if your TWIC doesn't cover it fully. It's worth the investment for regular flyers. There you have it. Using your TWIC card for TSA Precheck in 2025 is a straightforward way to make travel easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you next time.